Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Samsung Watch Ultra. First, make sure your new watch is fully charged. This often takes around 1.5 hours for a complete charge. Next, press and hold the power button, found on the right side, until the Samsung logo appears and the watch powers on. You will then be prompted to select your desired language for the interface. Now, let's pair your watch with your smartphone for full functionality. Download the Samsung wearable app onto your phone. It is available on both Android and iOS app stores. Open the app and tap Start New Device to initiate the connection. Your watch and phone will display a matching code. Simply confirm it on both devices to securely complete the pairing. With your watch connected, it is time to personalize your experience. Explore the extensive range of watch faces available in the wearable app, choosing one that matches your style. You can also fine-tune your notification settings, ensuring you only receive alerts from the applications that matter most to you. Don't forget to configure health tracking for steps, heart rate, and exercise goals. To truly enhance your daily routine, consider installing useful applications from the Galaxy Store directly onto your watch. For seamless transactions, activate Samsung Pay through the wearable app, enabling contactless payments from your wrist. Explore the quick settings by swiping down from the top of the watch face. This provides fast access to key features and controls. Enjoy discovering everything your new watch can do.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.